In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook Messenger video call not working. First, if Messenger is running in the background, then you want to close the app completely. Next, open Play Store or App Store. Now, tap on the search bar and here you want to search Messenger. Select this option. If you find update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Once the update is complete, reopen Messenger and try making a video call. If the issue still isn't fixed, check your app permission. For that, long press on the Messenger app, then tap on this app info icon. This will take you to app settings. Here tap on permissions, select camera and make sure that it is allowed. Next, select microphone and make sure that it is allowed as well. After updating the permission, head back. Now tap on storage. Here tap on clear cache. Then tap on force stop. Now tap on OK. Now open Messenger and check if your problem has been fixed. If not, you want to uninstall the application. After uninstalling, install it again from Play Store or App Store and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.